Welcome back. Today we are tackling this historic house in Stonington, Connecticut, and we are doing it with zero safety net. No pencil, no guidelines, just permanent ink. Let's dive in. When you don't have pencil lines, you need an anchor. I usually start with a central architectural feature. And as you can see on the left-hand side, I decided the door frame would be the best place to start. So I am constantly working off of that door frame as a visual comparison. And as things move to the right here, they get smaller, and you can see the angle to make it appear like it's receding. People always ask me, what happens if you mess up? You can just make a double line, turn that mistake into a shadow or a weathered texture on the wood. I'm adding in a flagpole here. And these upper windows, I'm not adding a lot of detail. I'm kind of just suggesting them. And just a few details of the house next door. I'm adding a few details to the front door area. As we wrap up this structural line work, you can see how vibrant and energetic the sketch feels. Next, I'll be adding gray marker values to really make it dimensional.